Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add games to your Discord server. So go to Discord, obviously, and go to the server settings tab here. Scroll down and there's like games. What games does your server play? You can search for a game. There's Roblox, Valorant, League of Legends, Minecraft, CS2, Fortnite, GTA, Overwatch, Dota, etc., etc. There's a lot that you can choose from. So right now, my friends and I have been playing Dinkum. So I'm just going to select that. You can only select one. Actually, you can select more than one. So you can select the games that you play. So for instance, Dinkum and Roblox are the games me and my friends play. When you're done, just press Save Changes. And it will show on like your server, I guess. Well, you can't see it here, but when people look at your server, they'll be able to see the games that your server plays. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.